over a year ago now, I made a video with this very F15 X5 35D, and we replaced the sunroof cassette. There's a moment there where I mentioned that you need to remove all the accessories off the headliner, including the dome light, but I don't actually show how to remove the dome light. And a couple people were asking me, how do you do this? So here I am. I'm going to show you how to do that on an F85 X5M.
Step one in this whole process is going to be to remove this cover. This just basically pulls off like such. That's just on clips. Step two, we've got two clips, one there and one there. And this is a metal clip. And this is the part that if you don't know, you don't know, and this is when you make mistakes. So in there you got a metal clip. So what you're gonna do, see how that little end over there sticks out? You're gonna take a screwdriver and you're gonna crank it all the way. See how now there's a gap between the metal and the plastic? So that's how you know that you've pushed it far enough. I'm going to pull this and then I'm gonna just apply a little bit of downward force on the entire body of this, and it's gonna come down. I'm gonna take my screwdriver, put it in there, and all the way. Has to be all the way. If you don't get it all the way, good luck. You'll never pull this off. So let's try that again, all the way. And it came off really easy. The second one, same thing. And that's it. It's off. And then you've got all these cables inside to pull off one by one. So in here, you've got this guy. Got a tab there. You've got a cable back there that's got two pins on either side. You got to push in, and then on this side, you've got two more of those with the pin at the bottom. Just push it in, pull it out, done. Then reinstallation, once you got everything plugged back in, just take this guy, being mindful of the cables. Snap, snap, done. No drama, no fuss. This guy just clicks in. Done.
I hope this clears things up, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.